What's going on, guys? Tyler from Alpine here to talk to you guys about the HCE TCAM 1 WRA, which is going to fit all Jeep JK Wranglers that have a spare tire back there. So let's get into this thing. This thing's pretty cool. It's been out for a minute now. You guys have seen plenty of content on it. You can see the camera there. Third brake light, and there's actually a reverse up top. One of the questions people ask is, what am I going to do if I get a flat and need to change my spare out? What's cool about this piece is it's actually just a rubber grommet, and you can actually see that there's a nut that goes behind there that locks it in. So nothing to worry about there, just a little rubber cover you got to pop off, and it's pretty easy to take this thing off. Like I said, just a single nut, and there's just a plug clip right there. Comes right out. It actually has 3 mounting spacers, and what this is going to do is allow you, depending if you have the factory rim and tire, a little bit wider but nothing crazy, and then crazy, that's going to be the bracket that's going to bolt up. Here's the spacer that's actually going to hold the camera on it from behind. Here's the hardware. It's going to be that nut that we were talking about. And I guess they actually give you a spare rubber piece there. Didn't know that. Spare rubber. What else it's also going to do is, again, standard RCA plug, or it's going to be the universal plug. And so this actually gives you output to a factory display. So you can buy this thing for any aftermarket radio or factory. This thing's definitely a quality piece. Third brake light, reverse light, and backup camera as well. The other thing you're going to notice if you go to our Instagram too is we actually delete the third brake lights. Like I said, this thing's definitely pretty nice. $4.99. If you guys are interested for any of your guys' JK stuff, any Wrangler stuff, give us a call, 310-542-5588.